Here we go. So I've moved, here's my little hot glue station by the window. And if I'm here for a while, I'll have a fan as well, so I'm not breathing any fumes from the glue. We also have Raven from Teen Titans, whose head has popped off, and I'm gonna try to glue that on, but I think this material, this vinyl, may not work. So I'm gonna do both of that. I'm using my AirPods to record my voice, hooked up to my iPhone 8 Plus. So the job I'm gonna work on is to put feathers all across here, and then I have to come up with some type of wing system, which I will work on and show you guys what I come up with. Now this is a little loose here. This is just duct tape holding this mechanism on. And maybe I might try to hot glue that onto the tape. I don't know if that'll work. See, this one's loose. Okay, so the hot glue gun is heating up. It's here on this little pad. I've got my tea, and I'm going to feather this sucker. What I'm doing is separating the color of the leaves. Ew, there's these little black things in there, I don't know what they are. Anyways, they're not leaves, they are feathers, and we're gonna apply them to the puppet here. I've got these extra long strips here, so I don't always have to be putting those little ones in there. So you slide these in like that, and let's start adding feathers. So let's put down some hot glue and start applying the feathers. Now I may use these pink ones after the fact, just to add a bit of randomness to it. Maybe stick some up here. So yeah, I wanted it to be owl-like. And then, yeah, see, it's stiffening up here, probably the glue and the feathers. I'll fix that after the fact. What I've done is put him up on a stool so I can get at the bottom down in here. Let's see how he looks from the front. Yeah, he looks good. I like it. It's a little tight there. So I'm gonna have to work inside the mouth. So let's throw a nice, good one down in there. He does look very owl-ish, which is, now, I think I like this sort of this shape. I like this more of a, where he's sort of sunken in. Take that one and sort of do the same thing, up like that.